Hello and welcome back. This time we are going to implement collectible coins to our game. Let's get going. Let's start this episode with a challenge. Based on everything we have learned so far, you should be able to add a coin to the layout and add an event. When the player is touching the coin, we destroy the coin. Pause the video and try to do that. I hope you were able to do it, and if not, let's check it out quickly. First, we are going to add a new sprite, and let's call it SPR_coin. And then I'm going to change the size to be, let's say 16 by 32. And then that will be our coin for this time. Now we have the coin added into our layout, and now for the events, again we add a new event. We check if the player is on collision with the coin, and then we are just going to destroy the coin like so. And if we try to play the game, now we can collect the coin, but there is one thing that we don't do, is to save how many coins we have collected during our game. And the way we are going to implement is through something called global variable. And it is really similar to instance variables that we used last episode, but the difference is that the instance variables are specific to the instance of the object in the game, meaning that if we have multiple enemies, then every enemy can have different value in their instance variables. But with the global variable, there is only one variable, and it is not tied to any specific object in the game. So let's create one, and it can be done by right clicking in the event sheet and here choosing add global variable. And here for the name, let's call it coin amount and keep it the type as number. Initial value should be 0, as when we start the game we should have 0 coins, and everything else is fine. So let's press OK, and now we have our global variable right up here in the event sheet. And now that we have the variable, we just have to increment it by 1 every time we collect a coin. And well, we already have the event for it, so here we can add new action, and all the global variables can be found under the system, and it's here global and local variables. And here we can add to the coin amount the value of 1, and we press done, and now it should be incrementing by 1 when we collect the coin. And that is actually everything for this episode, what we had to do. But in the next episode we are going to build the UI for the game, that we can see how many coins we have collected. So I'll see you in the next episode.